Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make XML files for Alight Motion. First, understand that XML files are like blueprints for your Alight Motion projects. They contain all the details of your animations, effects, and layouts, making it simple to share your creative work or reuse your own designs. This feature is incredibly helpful for streamlining your workflow and adding professional touches to your videos without starting from scratch every time. It works seamlessly on both Android and iOS. To create an XML file, begin by opening your finished project in Alight Motion. Once your project is open, navigate back to the Projects tab. Long press on the thumbnail of the project you wish to export. This action will bring up several options. Look for the Export button, typically located at the bottom left of your screen, and tap it. From the Export and Share menu, scroll down and select the XML format. Then, tap Export to begin the process. After exporting, you can save your XML file to your device or upload it to cloud storage like Google Drive. Sharing is easy. You can send the file through messaging apps, email, or by sharing a cloud link. To import an XML file, first download it to your device. Then, open Alight Motion and go to the Templates tab. Tap the Upload button, select the XML file from your device storage, and the app will load the project with all its elements intact. If you encounter issues, first ensure your Alight Motion app is fully updated. Sometimes, older versions may not support newer XML formats. It's best to import XML files one by one, as importing multiple files at once can sometimes cause errors. If a file still won't import, it might be corrupted, so try re-downloading it. For export problems, try reducing the project's complexity, such as lowering resolution or frame rate, to ease device resource strain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.